Welcome back, graduates. So today I want to go over talking about page templates and custom page templates. And what that basically means is you can build out like beautiful landing pages with the sections that are already there that are within the theme, or that if you hire a developer, then you can have them build it, and then that is going to be available on other pages. But today we're going to focus and explain about Shopify and explain why you can't, in a preview state, view the templates that are proprietary to that theme. So this is for demo purposes. It is using Ecomify Theme. So what I have done is I'm going to go and I'm just going to duplicate my live version for demo purposes. So this is going to be the copy of the Ecomify theme. And once this loads, I'm going to go in and make an edit. And I'm going to show you what most of you have questions on and also dealing with. So this is my live store, and then this is the one I'm going to be working on and editing. So right over here, I'm going to go and click customize. All right, so this is the copy of the live theme that I have already here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and create a page just for demo purposes. I'm going to create it and I'm going to name this testing 101, and you can do it based on a certain page, and this helps so you don't have to re-put in all the sections and the content. So if you have a template that you want to duplicate that already has the foundation laid out, then you can use that. So I'm just going to do an FAQ just to show you what it looks like. Now I have a FAQ, and I am going to add in this just a contact form, so you can kind of differentiate between the two. And I'm just going to make this 968 a bit wider, and I'm going to put this at the very top here, just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. So now there's going to be a contact form, an FAQ, and also just featured products, bestsellers right over here. So now what I want to do, because this is on a testing 101 product template, when I go and preview this, I'm not going to be able to see that certain template. It's also not going to be back here. When I go to online store and pages, I can have a page, and I'm going to name this testing 101. And when I save this, the theme template, I'm not going to be able to assign that testing 101 template because the theme is not live yet. So I can't view it because it's proprietary to that theme, the copy, this one, right? This one right over here, the copy of it. And so it's only editable and displayed like this. However, there is a work around it, and I'm going to show you that just so you can kind of see it in a live state as well, and what it will look like when you publish this theme. So in order to do that, I'm on testing 101, and I'm going to go into the code, and I'm going to go in here, edit my code, and you'll see in templates at the very bottom here, depending on the alphabetical order of it, it's called testing 101.json. So I'm going to want this exact code and the layout for the live store, and also I'm going to want to create a page on the live store with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out of this, and I'm going to go into my live state, and I'm going to go into edit code, and I'm going to go into create a new template, and this is going to be a page. And what we're simply doing is just saying, hey, I want to view this on the live store, seeing what it looks like. So I'm going to do page, and I'm going to do testing 101, and it's going to be the exact name, page, JSON, and I'm going to click done. Now it looks like this right now, and I'm going to take the exact from my copy, the exact code from the copy theme, and I'm just going to copy and paste, and I'm going to click save. So now this has, as you already can see, this has the contact form. This already has all the sections that I have on my copy that I've seen. Now the reason being that this works is because this works if it's within Ecomify theme, or any other theme if it's impulse to impulse. with the same sections over again. This does not work. Take note. This does not work if you have the 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒 theme and you're trying to migrate over and see what the sections look like from a 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒 theme to like an impulse theme or impact theme, because the code and the sections don't work, and it's different. So now that I have in the live created the theme template, I'm going to go back into here and I'm going to go into my pages. And now when I see testing 101 that I created for prepping for when the other theme goes live, the copy, now when I go default page, I see testing 101. So this, when I save it and when Shopify has a chance to update, I should see that new contact form. I should see that new page with the contact, the FAQ, and the bestsellers. Now this is a trick just to see what it looks like and what it's going to look like if you want to in a live state. Now when you do publish this, it won't affect it because you already have in the copy that theme template. So now that I've waited and assigned testing 101, this should have that contact page, the style right here, the FAQ, and the feature product bestsellers right over here. So that is one way to kind of check and see in a live state how the page is going to be visually designed and laid out before you even publish it. I know that, but most of the time, some people don't know that. So most of the time, you are going to have to go into the online store and then go click customize and go into your navigation here and navigate through and edit and view. That's most of the time what you're going to have to do. You can view it by the full screen. This is what it'll look like. So this is exactly what it's going to look like for the copy of the Ecomify theme. So when I do publish this, let's just double check. When I do publish this, when I go to pages, it is now still assigned to the testing 101 because I named it and I replicated the exact same name in the template from the copy and the live. I hope that makes sense. Thank you so much.